Hello everyone. So very quickly I'll be sharing with you this very yummy recipe that will take belly fat far away from you, help you maintain a healthy body size, activate your system, foil your system with energy and turn it into a fat burning machine. Like, this is very healthy, plus will load your system up with nutrients. Yeah, so having this for breakfast is the key to that flat tummy plus a healthy body size. So I'll be using oatmeal. You can use any of your choice. You can use instant oats if you can lay your hands on, but what I'll be using is the regular oats, like the one you can just get at your shelf. I'll be using 1 cup of oats, very good source of protein, plus your system easily breaks it down, leaving in nutrients into your system, keeping you so full but helping you burn fats as well. So this is 1 cup of oatmeal I'll be using for today, and I'll be using any nut milk of your choice. You can use any nut milk of your choice, not dairy, nut milk, coconut milk, tiger nut milk, or almond milk. This is almond milk and I made it myself at home. As you can see, I have the recipe. If you want, I can share with you. I shared that last year and I can share with you. You can always make your nut milk very healthy at home, very filling, and your system easily breaks it down. We want something that will easily metabolize, keep you full but metabolize. Yeah, and I'll be adding in some nuts. So any nuts of your choice, you can use peanut, walnut, groundnut, any nuts, just to make this filling and easily broken down by your system. I'll be adding some flax seeds to help with protein and the fat burning process as well. You want to foil your system with a lot of nutrients, and you can have them from all of these. So I'll be adding just a teaspoon of flaxseed in here, just fine, will go a long way to help you with the fat burning and energy process as well. So my sweetener I will be using, you can use either honey, or I found this sugar because I don't eat sugar. I watch my sugar intake, so what I use is plant-based sugar. So you can find this at your, just go for zero sugar, search for zero sugar. I think I got this from Cup Food, I think so. Yeah, I got it from Cup Food, organic. It's just like they call that one, what again, it skips my mind, just zero sugar. Any zero sugar you can get, you can use it as your sweetener, not white sugar. So that is monk fruit sugar. I'll just be using one teaspoon of it, just to bring in some taste, not just have it flat without any sweetness, and I'll be using a cup of water, or 2 if you want it lighter, depending on your consistency. So this is it. Now to the making. So this is it. You want to put in your pan. I'll be making it in my pan. I just I just put it in my pan and I add 1 cup of water, just for the water to soak up into the oatmeal and get ready for my milk. So you just steam it up a little bit, just to warm it up before you add your milk, because I will not be cooking the milk for so long. So you want that heat into your pan. So that is what I'm trying to achieve here, just to have it soaked up so I don't cook my almond milk for too long. This is a secret to have all the benefits from all your ingredients. Yeah, so this is it on very low heat. You just allow it to thicken up a little bit. Yeah, so remember, if you want to have it thicker than this, you can add if you want it lighter, you can always use 2 cups of water, but I love the consistency I'm going for, so I'm leaving it on low heat now. Just to, don't do it on high heat, do it on low heat, so you don't really destroy the benefits from all the ingredients, even though, yeah. So just, you see, when it gets to that thick consistency, you can add in your flaxseed. Don't wait for it to be so thickened before you add your flaxseed. So you can add the flax seeds now, add your nuts now, and this is the best time, so you can stir everything together without them being well mixed into your oatmeal. Very rich for breakfast. This is so nourishing, will leave your system so filled up while digesting so fast without store up, causing belly fat and weight gain. Plus it activates your system, turns your system to energy and a fat burning machine as well. Like, this is really a very good source for breakfast if you are looking to stay very healthy and in shape, maintaining a healthy body size, most especially running away from that belly fat. Like, having this for breakfast is like, not, you will never have belly fat if you are having this for breakfast. Plus all my other meal recommendations I've shared with you, this is one of them that I go for. Very filling. The secret is to fill your system up. So yeah, this is the fruit sugar I'm talking about, 0 calorie, not white sugar, just to bring in some sweetness. You know, if you're someone who like things a little bit sweet, you want to add in some, search for this, or you can use your honey if you can't find the fruit sugar. So yeah, this is it. This is my consistency I love, and voila, you can transfer in your bowl for breakfast. So this is it. As you can see, quite a large bowl of it, and good for breakfast. Yeah, plus you can have it with your tea, your hot orange lemon tea in the morning. This is what I always go for. And yeah, so this is it. Follow me on Instagram so you can see pictures of my tummy out, and please don't forget to incorporate water into your life as well. Water helps with digestion a lot. I can't reiterate this enough. I share it all my videos. I always tell you the importance of water. Like 3 years ago, I have been talking about water every day. You might think it's a joke, or I don't know, or I keep repeating, but I just want to reiterate so you know the benefits of drinking your water. Water is life. Water is what will help you with digestion in the first place, so all your food get digested, so nothing stores up, causing belly fat and weight gain. You maintaining that healthy body size without being obese, ending up with other sicknesses. Water too as well flushes toxins out of your system, bad fats, that and sugars that will lead to diabetes and hypertension, all those other health complications. Like, you want to fall in love with water. Drink enough water your system can accommodate. When I say enough, not 1 cup, 2 cups, or 1 liter. Drink at least 2.5 liters of water, 3 liters of water a day. Drink as much as your system can accommodate, and trust me, you will hardly face all the difficulties of having to be sick all the time, because water flushes you. Without the flushing of your system with water, that is how bacteria easily stay in your system. That is how you end up with toxins, leading to illnesses, sicknesses that you know. So water is something I will keep telling you every day. The least I have the chance to tell you, I'll keep telling you every day the benefits of drinking water. Fresh water, enough that your system can accommodate. It will freshen up your skin, leave your skin as well looking so beautiful, rejuvenated, hydrated. Like, I can't reiterate enough. Yeah, so this is what I wanted to share with you today. Some healthy options for you for breakfast that will help you maintain a healthy body size, lose some of that your belly fat, and keep you in shape without the excess weight like obesity. Yeah, so thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you again in my next video. Bye.